house has a timeless style featuring elements that remain relevant and attractive over time. The land is mostly low maintenance with a private fenced-in backyard and an outdoor entertaining space. The home features an attached garage with an RV garage with a 30-amp RV plug. My favorite parts of the kitchen are the Brazilian riverbed granite and the Bertazzoni gas range. There are just so many details that I want to share with you. So if you've been looking for a high-end house that's easy to manage and has a great design, you definitely want to book a showing for 13 Cross Country Court. And there's so many things that I haven't told you about this home. So if you have questions, leave a comment below and I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. You can also reach out and call me anytime.